forward efforts to bring up their equipment to the compliance level standards? And how do we face this challenge?
Sir, truly speaking, that number is very less. Who
I have proven wrong. Thank you.
Who want themselves to be upgraded in terms of safety, not as a burden. As an improvement, they are seen as an improvement, they are very, very less. Because maximum are this date, it is being implemented from this date, so I need the certificate anyhow before this date.
Why do you think that resistance is there? Are the compliance requirements too tough to be met, or too irrational, too expensive? What do you think is the reason?
Sir,
Or is it just a mindset and am I saying? So what could the SAKSHAM is to understand all that. Why is that there is such a poor response? I am sure progressively tomorrow we release a tender document and say only the BIS certified make in India products have to be quoted for. I think we will not be able to get even 3 quotes.
So BIS has implemented all those for public safety only. That we have to understand. That BIS is not getting, they are getting something, but that is very, very basic amount. But the real benefit is for the consumer who are, because whenever you see the BIS guidelines, that if you are importing any product which is for export, their BIS is not applicable, although you are making the same product. So if the product is being consumed in India, then BIS is applicable. Why it is so? They are thinking for the human safety residing in India. So that entirely is for the residents in India.
So, Pramodji,
Founded by Abhishek Srivastav, Quality Solutions is a trusted compliance partner specializing in BIS, FMCS, and NABL certifications. We provide end-to-end support, from application to approval, ensuring a smooth and efficient certification process. With a focus on precision and regulatory excellence, we help businesses and laboratories achieve compliance with confidence.